If you'd like to turn a negative moment with your patient into something far more positive simply by substituting 2 words, then you're in the right place. For the past 20 years, I've been an avid student of marketing, influence, persuasion, and psychology. Now I have a better understanding of one of my father's pet peeves. Although he never really explained why it was so important, he knew that the common practice of answering thank you with no problem was actually causing problems. Whether dining at a restaurant or at the checkout counter of a grocery store, if he thanked a server or a clerk and they responded with no problem, I knew I was going to get an earful. As soon as we were far enough away, Dad was going to tell me why he hated it when people said that. One of my mentors in psychology, Dr. Robert Cialdini, who's a Regents Professor of Psychology at Arizona State University, Cialdini explains it this way. When someone thanks you and you respond with, no problem, or it was nothing at all, you've squandered opportunity. We all have a hardwired need in our DNA to reciprocate when somebody does something for us or gives something to us. Dr. Cialdini calls it the psychological principle of reciprocity. In fact, it's so powerful, researchers have cited it as the reason behind why one impoverished country gave millions of dollars in aid to another country in the wake of a disaster. They pointed out that 50 years prior, the country in need had come to the aid of the gracious donor country. When we say no problem, it's as if we're telling the patient, you're not special. It didn't take me much time or effort at all. It's what I would have done for anybody. Well, how should you and your team respond to your patients when they express their thanks? Mary, it was truly my pleasure. I'm happy we were able to help you with that today. By the way, another one of my passions and the topic of one of my books is extreme customer service. Walk into a Ritz-Carlton or a Four Seasons and thank any of their team for anything that they do and listen to their response. You will never hear them say, no problem, or it was nothing at all. What you will hear is, certainly, sir, it was my pleasure, or something similar. Now that you have a simple but truly powerful alternative response, when your patients express appreciation, there's a window of opportunity to get tons of 5-star reviews and measurably increase patient referrals as well. I've detailed exactly how to do that in my YouTube Minute Gem video, how to double new patient referrals and get tons more 5-star reviews. Remember, you're only one gem away.